Dear children, now in this video you are going to learn section and midpoint formula. Before that I want to tell, in the previous video the pages change. So 1 to 4 page in the last. So please see the page number 1 to 4 first. Then start the beginning page. Then you can understand. Okay. Now come to this one. For any two given points in a coordinate plane, the knowledge of coordinate geometry may be used to find. What is the use of the coordinate geometry? The distance between the two given points, ratio, midpoint, equation of a line, equation of a parallel line, equation of a perpendicular line, and also equation of the perpendicular bisectors. These are the uses of the coordinate geometry. Yes, first one, distance formula. Already you learn in your 9th standard, A, B. The coordinate point of A, x1, y1 and coordinate point of B, x2, y2. The distance AB is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Already you learn in your 9th standard, but you have to remember by using that you have to find the distance formula. Now next formula is the section formula. A, the coordinate of A is x1, y1 and coordinate of B is x2, y2, a point P on the line AB. The ratio between AP ratio of PB, M1 ratio M2. Now you are going to calculate what is the coordinate of P. By using the formula, coordinate point of P xy is M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2. M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. This is the coordinate point of P xy. AP ratio PB is M1 ratio M2. Even we can take the ratio M1 ratio M2 as K ratio 1. Now the coordinate of P becomes K x2 plus 1 x1 by K plus 1, K y2 plus 1 y1 by K plus 1. Now from this we can derive the midpoint formula. A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, P is the midpoint. Therefore, the ratio AP ratio PB become 1 ratio 1. Apply in this place of M1, 1. Even in the place of M2, 1. We will get x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the midpoint formula. Now, you have to remember all these points. The coordinate point on the x-axis is x, 0. On the x-axis, the coordinate, some number will be there, 2, 0, 3, 0, minus 2, 0. So, the general x, 0. The coordinate point on y-axis, what is that? 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, minus 1. So, generally 0, y. X is equal to 0 represent the y-axis and y is equal to 0 represent x-axis. Now, what is the points of the trisection? What is trisection? The line AB divided by the 2 points AP ratio, PQ ratio, QB. The ratio is 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Now, you want to find the coordinate of P. Now, the ratio becomes 1 and this is 2 parts. So, 2, 1 ratio 2. In the place of M1, in the place of M2, 2. By using the section formula, we can easily find what is the coordinate point of P. Come to Q, here 1, 2, 2 parts. So, 2 ratio 1. If you want to find the coordinate of Q, you have to use the ratio 2 ratio 1 in the place of M1, 2 and in the place of M2, 1. The last formula, centroid. What is centroid? The centroid of a triangle is a point of intersection of its medians. The two medians intersect at one point G. Normally, we are represent the centroid as G. This G is called the centroid. The ratio AG ratio GD or BG ratio GE ratio is always 2 ratio 1. So, the medians intersect at G. Always AG ratio GD is 2 ratio 1. Now, what is the formula to find the centroid? The coordinate of G, xy is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. x1, y1 is the coordinate of A, that is the vertex A, x2, y2 coordinate of B, and x3, y3 the coordinate of See, you are adding and divide by 3, then you can get the centroid. Now, you can see the example sums. Now, in this chapter, I am going to solve the exercise sums. So, all the students, you go through all the example sums, and now few questions from the exercise I am going to explain now. Now, exercise 13A, question number 1, first part. A 1, 3, B 5, 9 in the ratio 1:2. Now, already what is this? In the place of A, x1, y1 represent by 1, 3, and B, x2, y2 represent by the numbers 5, 9, the ratio 1:2, m1, m2. Always write the formula. What is section formula? Pxy is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. See, first ratio, the coordinate of the second one. Second ratio, coordinate of the first one. Here m1 ratio m2 is 1:2, and this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Now, the coordinate of P is 1:. This is the first ratio. You are going to take the coordinate of the second one. 1 into 5 plus 2 into 1 by 1 plus 2. Again, 1 into 9 plus 2 into 3 by 1 plus 2. You are getting the coordinates 7 by 3, 5. This is the coordinate point of P. Now, second one, second question. In what ratio is the line? Second question in the exercise, same exercise. In what ratio is the line joining 2, -3 and 5, 6 divided by the x-axis? What is the coordinate point on x-axis? X, 0. Now, the y coordinate is 0, x coordinate is x. We don't know what is the number. So, let the ratio is k:1. A place 2, -3, B place 5, 6. Now, I am going to take the ratio as k:1. The point P is x, 0 because the P is lying on the x-axis. Apply the same formula and compare the y coordinate. What is y coordinate? K y2 plus 1 y1 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. In the place of k, we don't know, but we know what is y2 is k into 6 plus 1 into -3 by k plus 1 is equal to 0. The k plus 1 will go to right hand side. 0 into something is 0. Therefore, it is equal to 0. 6k minus 3 is equal to 0. 6k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3 by 6. Simplify. You are getting 1:2. Therefore, the ratio is 1:2. Suppose in the same question, the coordinate of y, it is given, divide by the y-axis means you have to take the coordinate on y-axis 0, y, and you have to equate to x coordinate. X coordinate is k x2 plus 1 x1 by k plus 1. You will get the coordinate points. Okay. Now, question number 4. In what ratio does the point 1a divide the join of -1, 4 and 4, -1? Now, 1 is the known number, a is the unknown number. Which is the known number that you have to equate? That is the x coordinate you have to equate now. So, here I draw the line also. You don't know what is the ratio. So, you are taking it as m1 ratio, m2, and equate the x coordinate. What is the x coordinate? m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 is equal to 1 given. Therefore, m1 into, here m1, 4 plus m2 into -1 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to 1. The m1 plus m2 will go to right hand side. Now you are getting m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, m1 ratio m2 is equal to 2:3. Now this is the ratio. Now you want to find what is the value of a. That is the y coordinate. What is the y coordinate formula? m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2, m1 into -1 plus m2 into 4 divided by m1 plus m2 is equal to a. In the place of m1 2, in the place of m2 3, you substitute, you are getting the value of a is equal to 2. Now come to the next one. Question number 14. Now I am going to explain. Find the coordinate of a point of trisection of the line joining the points -3, 0 and 6, 6. What is trisection? It is divide the line divide by the 2 points P and Q. Therefore, AP ratio PQ ratio QB is equal to 1 ratio 1 ratio 1. Now we want the coordinate of P, that is AP ratio PB. AP is 1, PB is 2, 1 ratio 2. So by applying the same section formula, you can find what is the coordinate of P. You are finding the coordinate of P is 0, 2. You want to find the coordinate of Q. Now this is 2, AQ, 1 plus 1, 2, and QB, 1. You have to take M1 ratio M2 as 2 ratio 1. Therefore, 2 into 6, this is 2, 6. 1 into -3 by 2 plus 1. 2 into 6, 1 into 0, 2 plus 1 you are dividing. So you are getting the coordinate of Q is 3, 4. Yes, now come to the next 13B exercise about the midpoint. Now question number 1, first part. The midpoint of -6, 7 and 3, 5. You are taking -6, 7 as x1, y1. 3, 5 as x2, y2. What is the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Substituting, you are getting -3 by 2, 6. Question number 4, first part. Here the midpoint is given and B is given. You have to find what is A. M is -5, 10. B is -5, 10. You want to find what is the coordinate of A. The formula first apply the same formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Now the -5, 10, x1 -5 by 2, y1 plus 10 by 2. So the x coordinate, here x coordinate, x1 -5 by 2 is equal to -5. Therefore x1 is equal to -5. Again, y1 plus 10 by 2 is 10. Comparing, y1 is equal to 10. Therefore, the coordinate of A is -5, 10. Next, question number 6. In the same exercise, question number 6. Now, this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. A line passing through x-axis and y-axis. So, the line intersect on x-axis at A and in y-axis at B. The midpoint of AB is given as 4, 2. You have to find what is the coordinate of A and coordinate of B. Now, what is the coordinate of A on the x-axis? X, 0. The coordinate on the y-axis 0, y. Now, the midpoint, apply the midpoint formula. What you are getting? X plus 0. X plus 0 by 2. 0 plus y by 2 is equal to 4, 2. Comparing, x plus 0 by 2 is equal to 4. X is equal to 8. 0 plus y by 2 is equal to 2. Y is equal to 4. Therefore, the coordinate of A is 8, 0. And coordinate of B is 0, 4. Now, I am going to explain one more question. That is question number 11 from the same exercise. Parallelogram. Here, the coordinate of P and Q only given and also the intersecting point of the diagonals given. You can easily find the other two coordinates. Parallelogram. The definition of parallelogram: opposite sides are parallel, opposite sides are equal, and the diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, the intersecting point of PR and QS is O. So, O is the midpoint of PR also, and also the midpoint of SQ by applying the midpoint formula. So, you know what is the O given, -3, 2 given, P given, Q given. You are going to find what is R and what is it. Let R is equal to x1, y1, S is equal to x2, y2. Apply the same formula. 4 plus x1 by 2 is equal to -3. You can get what is x1. 2 plus y1 by 2 is equal to 2. You can get what is y1. So x1 minus 10, y1 is 2. Therefore, the coordinate of R is -10, 2. In the similar way, O is the midpoint of SQ. Apply the same formula. You can get The coordinate of S is minus 5 minus 1. No pages. Yes. Now, 16th question. Calculate the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle ABC. Centroid. What is centroid? All the medians. Concurrent point of median is a centroid. And it is represented by G. The formula is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Now, the coordinate of A given, B given, C given. So, apply the formula. First one, 7 x1. 0 is x2 and minus 1 is x3. So, 7 plus 0 minus 1 by 3. Y coordinate, minus 2 plus 1 plus 4 by 3. 6 by 3. 3 by 3, 2, 1. This is the coordinate point of the centroid G. So, you have to remember what is median? Line segment joining the vertex and the midpoint of opposite side is called median. So, median means the opposite side midpoint. It is line you have to join. So, this D is the midpoint. This is question number 7 from the same exercise. In a triangle, all the 3 vertices are given. You have to find the distance AD, the median. First, you have to find what is the midpoint because AD is the median, D is the midpoint of B and C. By applying the midpoint formula, minus 5 plus 7 by 2, 2 plus 4 by 2, you are getting 1, 3. So, the coordinate of D is 1, 3. You know the coordinate of A and distance equal to root of 3 minus 1 whole squared plus minus 6 minus 3 whole squared by using the distance formula. Therefore, is equal to 2 squared plus minus 9 whole squared is equal to root of 4 plus 81 is equal to root of 85. Root of 85 by seeing the table or taking square root find 9.22. Now students, you practice all the other sums.